In today's video, we will take out the passenger front door panel of 2022 Ford Edge. First thing we will take out would be the inner door handle cover. You can use any screwdriver as long as you're able to slide in the screwdriver and take out the cover without damaging itself. Once the cover is out, right behind the cover you would notice a 10mm screw. I'll be taking it out with an impact gun using a 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Screw is out. Right at the bottom of the door panel you would notice there are two additional screws, and we will take it out using a 9x32 nut setter. We slightly pull the door panel from the bottom side and notice there is something still holding on to it from the middle. Using the door upholstery remover, we will slightly pull out the edges of the door switch cover. Make sure to pull the edges from the sides where the tabs are attached. Once pulled out, now we take out the plug for the door switch cover. The purpose behind taking out the switch cover is to take out this 10mm screw. We'll take it out using a 10mm nut setter with an impact gun. Once the screw is out, now we can slightly pull out the complete door panel. With a little rock and roll, you would notice the complete door panel coming apart. Notice there's also an interior door handle portion that has a wiring attached to it. We'll also need to separate that wire from the door handle itself. Take out a bunch of plugs. You would notice there are 3 plugs in total that needs to be taken out. With that final plug, we knocked out the door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.